Coming back to the chart, doing it this way. Never changing cause we're never doing it that way. Always giving it to you straight, never to you gay. That's the way we do it now, let me hear you say. OJ Casper, we're chilling in the house. Pumping the Bitcoin with the Bitcoin bounce. Oh snap, we'll check it out and let us take a peek. Does market Cipher B have any uneven butt cheeks? Big on the left side, nice and juicy. Skinny on the right side to round out the booty. The lower side, the diner coming in on fleek. She's never been looking.
All right, y'all. All right. We are live on this beautiful, what day is it again? Friday. Blessings to everybody in the name of Jesus, Yeshua the Messiah. Even if you are not religious, I still pray you and your family are super blessed, as today really might be the day that we see Bitcoin go to 100K. And somebody asks in the chat, what's so special about 100K? What's so special about 100K, Jesse Ray? Man, I don't know. I do not know. Shout out to the Dusty Hunt. Is Bitcoin a good stock? Well, it's okay. I mean, last 2 years ago now, the CEO of Bitcoin, Sam Bankman-Fried Chicken, ended up getting arrested. But look, a new CEO came along and we're pumping it straight up to 100K, baby. And I am looking to get a little pump of about $900 here. Not sure if it's going to happen. All right, 99K is some pretty interesting resistance, but I can't take my eyes off the chart. So I figure, you know what? Let me do a stream, baby. If I'm going to be looking at the chart, let me just do a dang stream. All right. Shout out to Aaron G. Shout out to Houseless Hooligan. Shout out to Darren. Shout out to AJ91. Shout out to Dave Augustine. She's going to dip hard once JC dumps his 98,500 Bitcoin. Just stock is low. Shout out to Board PC Guy. Had my preamp maxed. Sorry, bro. I'm so sorry, man. I'm not an audio engineer, so sometimes things happen. Shout out to Big Butts 28. Shout out to Big Butts 28. I love you so much, Big Butts 28. I'm praying for you. Thank you so much for being my wife. All right, look at this, guys. We are at $98,500. $98,500. Can you believe a $99,000 Bitcoin? It honestly does feel a little bit surreal, to be honest with you guys. It feels a little bit surreal. Shout out to Aaron G. Yeah, Casper Crew VIP Discord games, they were pretty fire, weren't they? All right. Shout out to FB. Shout out to Fruit Market. Right, it's a Thursday. It's a Thursday. I forget what day it is all the time. Major shout out to Pasternak88. He says, I'm here and I'm beer. Sell Sam Bankman-Fried. That's true. You got to sell Sam Bankman-Fried chicken. Shout out to Board PC Guy. Shout out to Freedom Man. Shout out to Jason Becker, who says, hey, Jay, can we get the pump song followed by straight to 100K? Shout out to Divine Hood. Solana just hit a new all-time high. This is nuts, man. This is nuts. If I hit this take profit at $99,500, I will realize 50 grand on this trade, and I will have made $100,000 in November trading, which is great. Praise God if it happens. And praise God if it doesn't happen. Praise God no matter what happens. All right? Praise God no matter what happens. That's the most important thing in life, and I'm not even joking about that. Shout out to Ruben, who is beer. Shout out to Splashfire Films. Shout out to Chris Cow, who says, let's pump the Bitcoin ship. Arr, me pirates, can we get some 10x gains on alts now? I think so. Shout out to Bernie. He says, my left nipple envies my right nipple. Well, in order to fix this, what you need to do is you need to do one arm dumbbell presses on the right side, okay? Shout out to Maxstro. Most likely won't hit today, but yes, 100K at some point. Yeah, let's see how you guys are looking in the poll right here. 64% say 100K right now, all right? That's crazy. Odessa wants to know, what can you long right now? I don't know. Okay. This is nuts, guys. This really is absolutely insane with the Bitcoin price. I am it just feels very surreal. It feels very surreal to me. I don't know how many of you guys are new, how many of you guys have been along for a long time in crypto, but you know, I've been in Bitcoin since it was $600. All right, I've been a Bitcoin hodler since $600, and you know, every bear market, you know, it is, especially when you're in the trenches like I am, trading and stuff. You know, you go through so much. You go through so much, so many emotions, so much uncertainty. But the one thing I'm really happy about is that I was able to stick to my Bitcoin plan. All right, I was able to stick to my Bitcoin plan that I've had for this bull cycle, which is aggressively buying below 20K, aggressively buying below 20K. And now I'm really glad I stuck to my plan, right? When we were in this area back here, things were looking a little bearish. They really were looking a little bit bearish here. And I was making plans to, if we were going to lose the low 40s, if we were going to lose the yearly open, I was going to have to change my plan, right? But I stuck to the plan, and now here we are. We are at a $99,000 bid. I almost can't even say it. I almost can't even say it because of how surreal it feels right now, honestly. Crazy, $100,000 Bitcoin. If this bull flag is going to break out, we are looking at around a $125,000 Bitcoin target, which is my actual target for this bull run. Could we come higher? Absolutely. Will we come higher? It's possible. I don't know. But the one thing I would say for certain right now, guys, is 100K looks like it's definitely on the table. Looks like it's definitely on the table. You had like the 5.1 theory or whatever. Utmost respect for Crypto Crew University. With the 5.1 theory, basically calling the top every single market cycle. He called the top every single market cycle based on this theory. We have now broken that theory. His theory basically said we're going to top out at around $82,000. Right? Well, here we are, baby. $98,500 Bitcoin. Absolutely surreal. And what I have done here is I have added another $100,000 to my Bitcoin long position on BLOFIN. And I'm basically going to take a $2,500 profit if we make a lower low here, or a $5,000 profit if we make a higher high here. And right now we are coming down to the wire. Already locked in 40K on this trade, guys. All right, so I'm looking to make another $2.5 to $5,000 right now. In fact, during this stream, I'm going to be making another few $1,000s. All right, and so here's what the deal is right now. We are coming up to a local Fibonacci golden pocket retrace, okay? There's a few warning signs on the chart that we do need to be aware of, all right? Go to the 1 hour, and let's just discuss the objective reality, all right? We've got objective reality here. The objective reality is that throughout the course of this, we are seeing, in fact, bearish divergences, right? It's no big deal. We always see bear divs in powerful uptrends, right? But we're seeing the money flow and the momentum getting lower here on the 1 hour. On the 24-minute, locally here, we are also seeing local bearish divergences at play here. All right? Now, this doesn't mean dump is guaranteed, but it means we could get a pullback, right? It means we could get a pullback. So, personally, I'm hoping that we don't get a pullback because we did get a bounce right now from the 382 Fibonacci. So we're in a very strong uptrend. We made a higher high, and then we got a little bit of a bounce from the 382 Fibonacci. So in very strong uptrends, the 382, that's the area that you want to see the bounce from. But locally right now, if we go to our 5-minute time frame, actually the 5-minute looks pretty bullish with that money flow. I'm not going to lie. It looks pretty good right now, man. But we pull our fib from that high to the low, and you can see we're coming up to our two sisters, right? The 618 Fibonacci and the 786 Fibonacci. The 618 Fibonacci, a cute girl from high school, had a big crush on her, thought she had a crush on me too, but turns out, fellas, I was in something called the friend zone. So instead of us getting married and living happily ever after with our Bencoin matching tattoos on the hand and the neck and living off our crypto meme coin gains, she rejected me. Now, of course, just above the 618, it looks like she's going to go out with us now. Here's the thing, 618, she didn't take us seriously when Bitcoin was $15,000, but now that Bitcoin's pumping up, baby, now she's taking us seriously. We got the older sister, the 786 right up here, $98,800. Here we go, the 786 Fibonacci. Here's a picture of her. All right, if we can reclaim the 786 Fib, baby. Oh, come on, Bitcoin. Oh, come on, Bitcoin. Man, this is nuts. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Then I think we can make another high, all right? Here we go, baby. Shout out to everybody in the chat right now. God bless you all in Jesus' name. May you all be blessed in many, many ways, All right? All right, we're going to have to do the pump song because I know not everyone likes the pump song, guys, but, you know, I have a crazy, what's the word? Can I say fantasy of singing the pump song as Bitcoin hits $100,000? Am I allowed to say? I have a fetish. A pump song fetish. Here we go, baby. The pump song, guaranteed to pump the Bitcoin price every single time, baby. Here we go. Gonna hit this take profit, maybe. Make sure to like the stream, guys. We get 1,000 likes in the first half hour. We give away $1,000, alright? Let's pump! Here we go, baby. Let's do it. Yeah! This is resistance. We need the pump song to pump us through this resistance right now. Here we go! Alright! Mini head and shoulders on the 1 minute. Forget about that. This is resistance. We need to break through it. We're gonna dump, no we're gonna pop. We're gonna dump, no we're gonna pop. We're gonna dump, no we're gonna pop. Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. We're gonna dump, no we're gonna pop. We're gonna dump, no we're gonna pop. We're gonna dump, no we're gonna pop. Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. Alright, here we go, it's working. Let's pump! Where's the stop loss? There is no stop loss! Here we go, baby. Come on, we got a blue candle. The big blue. Don't turn purple on us, Bitcoin. Come on, 99K for the next TP. We're gonna dump, no we're gonna pop. We're gonna dump, no we're gonna pop. We're gonna dump, no we're gonna pop. Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. We're gonna dump, yeah, we're gonna pop. We're gonna dump, yeah, we're gonna pop. We're gonna dump, yeah, we're gonna pop. Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. Alright, here we go, down to the wire, we're pumping it up. We're coming to the 786, back to her old tricks. Alright, we're about to ask this chick out on a date, but she's not a chick. So this is a very serious time. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on, Bitcoin. Alright, now remember, the most important thing about the pump song is that sometimes it has a delayed effect. Alright, sometimes it has a delayed effect. But, man, this is nuts. Here we go. Look at this, guys. Just so close to our TP. I just want to hit it. I just want to hit it so bad. I want to hit the TP so bad. Come on, TP. Come on, TP. Between you and me, can we hit the TP? It's looking like we are finding resistance, guys, at this area. We're finding resistance at the area. Hope you don't get malaria from the area. Hope we don't get malaria from the area. Sometimes, guys, when you get a local change of market structure, you take the local low, you come back up to the 786. She rejects you, she slaps you in the face. You get malaria from the area. I don't mean to scare you, but you get malaria from the area.
Crystal made that hit, boy.
Jake Casper, I don't mean to scare you. Sometimes you get malaria. I said, it's Jake Casper, don't mean to scare you. Sometimes you get malaria from the area. Jake Casper, don't mean to scare you. As we're coming right up to the area. Jake Casper, I don't mean to scare you. Hopefully we don't get that malaria. We were coming up to the area. Have you heard it? Things are malaria. As as we're coming up. I hope I don't scare ya. We're looking left and right to look for the bears, cause we got the candles turning purple. They got me Bitcoin running in circles, going left and right, got me so like a nurgle. Hopefully I don't get hurt, purple nurgle. We're coming up to the 786. The Bitcoin price is back to her old tricks. We take a look at the snap of the pic. You can see it right here. Look at those flicks of the hair on the chin. Where do I begin? Looks like a beard before we get it in. So rejection, introspection, candles turning purple, and then we change direction. But we can't be upset, cause we came to resistance. We know if we break out, then we go the distance. And as we're looking at the chart, we got a nice purple candle like a work of art. And here's the thing, we got a nice level at this high, right around 98,359. If we hold above, then it's like a hand in glove. We could pump right up to 100,000 love. You heard? As we're going around, looking at the birds, as we're spinning around, looking for the turds, talking about those big dumps. Don't you know the Bitcoin up only never pumps? Let's take a look at the order flow down below. Between you and me, what do you know? We got a little bit of bullish CBD. Nothing much, cause the OI is coming down to feet on the bottom of the ground in the grass. The Bitcoin price could dump really fast. I am not scared, I'm drinking from the glass. Bitcoin price is about to blast, oh no, but the money flow is getting thicker. Right here, the price could run thicker. Don't you know, if we're coming to the downside, the 382s where the Bitcoin could ride. And I'm hoping that we don't get a rejection. I'm hoping we keep pumping in the up direction, because we gotta take profit 99.5. That's where the Bitcoin profit's gonna stay alive. Come back to good old MEXC. What do we see between you and me? Got a massive candle up here on the daily, about to hit the take profit, not looking scaly. If we hit the take profit, then I make 20,000. Put me up to a nice 50 round, and then I can finally relax, take my profits and go off into the tracks. Don't you know I'll be living off grid, up in the woods, trying to get it in, planting gardens with the solar panels. Where do I begin? Raising all my animals, licking on my chin. That's right, licking on the chin. What do you know? Just sit back and listen to the J Casper flow. I wanna welcome everybody to the best crypto show on the internet, and that's what we know. Oh no, here we go. About to come down, look out below. Okay, alright, look, the 5-minute money flow is looking kind of good, guys. 5-minute money flow is looking kind of good. No need to get scared. Alright, no need to get scared. 5-minute money flow is looking kind of good. No need to get scared. If we dump down a little bit lower, I'll be honest, if we dump down lower, I would assume that we would come back down to the low of the range here, okay? The reason why I say that is because if we come down a bit lower here, then the golden pocket in the 786 is right at the low of the range. Now, remember, it's not like a whole bunch of people are selling right now. Basically what happened is we had a whole bunch of longs take profit, basically, and we had a whole bunch of shorts get liquidated up here. So it's not like we have a whole bunch of bears or people shorting the market. It's just we got to give it some time. Now, New York's about to close in 20 minutes. After New York closes, we usually get some big moves. All right, we usually get some big moves. So let's see what happens here. If we make another lower low, like I said, I'm going to hit a take profit stop loss right here. Either way, guys, whatever we break out of this, I'm making money. I'm either making 5 grand or I'm making 2.5 grand. All right, either 5 grand or 2.5 grand. Either 5 grand or 2.5 grand. So let's see what happens. I'm hoping we pump out. I'd rather make 5 grand than 2.5, if you know what I mean. Shout out to Spartan Trading. 100x short for liquidation right now. Corey says, either something's wrong with me or this guy's actually dope. Well, maybe something's wrong with me, man. Maybe something's wrong with me. Gary resigned. Yeah, I heard about Gary Gensler resigning, which pumped XRP. All right, let's take a quick look actually at XRP right now. Let's take a quick look at XRP. Wow. Okay, so XRP also got a big pump and a change of market structure on the 5-minute, but the money flow looks bullish on all these assets, guys. So I'll be honest, even if we do get a bit of a pullback here, I wouldn't be surprised if
if we get a bounce from the low of the range, honestly. Pretty much the same thing that we wanted yesterday. Remember yesterday, guys? Basically, we made that higher high, so we were looking for this in yesterday's stream. That's exactly what happened after New York closed, right? We got that dump. We came to the golden pocket, continuing with the bullish market structure to the upside. All right, so make sure to like, subscribe, click the bell, because look, yesterday, man, we gave that fire a call. All right, and not only that, but Donald Trump endorses Jason Casper.
Well, folks, we won the election, but most importantly, we pumped the price to a new all-time high. Jason Casper and I made it happen, and we're going straight to 100K, baby. Make sure to like and subscribe.
All right, here we go. So, major shout out to Ferdy, who says, ha 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 ha. Shout out to Splashbar Films, who says, no fee pick, Spartan. Shout out to Steve Urkel, who wants to ride a bonky. What's a bonky? Yeah, Gary Gensler resigned, I heard that. Yeah, isn't that crazy? Isn't that crazy? Guys, do we not live in a crazy world? Do we not live in a crazy world right now? It almost seems like just like a TV show, all right? Imagine 2 years ago, guys. Imagine 2 years ago. If someone had told you 2 years ago that RFK was going to be the guy put in charge of health in the United States, and that Elon Musk was going to be part of the government, and that Donald Trump was going to be president again. Just, it's what a crazy, weird world and a shift of everything going on right now. Seems scripted. You know, some people believe it is scripted. Not going to say who, but some people, okay? Some people, not going to say who. Let's see, what do we got here? Let's pop on this. This is the music I like here. All right, come on, Bitcoin, come on, baby. What you gonna do? Come on, make your move. What's the market maker gonna do? She gonna pump, she gonna dump. All right. Now we come back down. I'm gonna pull the Fibonacci on BLOFIN as well. By the way, if you want to trade on BLOFIN right now, we've got a promotion. Oh crap, can't find it right now. Hang on one moment, all right? Hang on one moment. BLOFIN right now is offering 10% cash back. It's actually a legitimately good deal. Only if you know how to trade, okay? If you don't know how to trade, please do not trade, because here's the deal, guys. If you are new to these markets and you're just coming into crypto now because of the hype, please do not leverage trade until you actually know what you're doing. All right? I'm not going to tell you to buy my course. I'm not. But whatever you do, at least stick around some crypto YouTube for a while. Myself, Frankie Candles, Tom Crown, Traders Reality, Flop and Groper, Crypto Face, Char Champions, Trader Geo, Alexo Crypto. There's so many others too. So many YouTubers. Those are just some. Go subscribe to them. Watch their live streams. Watch their videos. Learn some stuff. Do not sign up for any kind of leverage trading platform if you do not know how to trade, all right? I'm saving you potentially millions of dollars. I know a guy who lost millions, all right? I know a guy who lost millions. But if you do know how to trade, then we do have a promotion for BLOFIN, which is a KYC free exchange, which means you don't have to KYC, and they'll give you 10% cash back whatever you deposit. So whatever you deposit, 10% cash back. And so you deposit $100, they give you $10, $1,000, they give you $100, $10,000, they give you $1,000. It's pretty cool, actually. Pretty dang cool. All right, link in the pinned comment and the description. This is good until December 22nd. All right, this is good until December 22nd right here. This promotion for BLOFIN. It's only if you use the Jason Casper link. Plus, you get a discount on the fees as well, guys. All right, so here we go. We got a little purple candle of doom. Not really, but look. From the high to the low, we rejected from that Fibonacci. In keeping with the bullish market structure, I'd say I'm looking for something like this to happen, just like I was looking for yesterday. All right, that's what I would say. I'd be looking for something like that to happen. Shout out to Jimmy with the stimmy. He says, my girl just called and heard you in the background and said, are you watching the plunger guy again? Absolutely. Absolutely. Who was the special guest earlier? It was going to be Daniel from Chart Champions, but I couldn't get my... There's something probably wrong with my VPN or something. And I couldn't get his video or screen to show. So it would have been a huge waste because he wouldn't have been able to show the charts or his face. So we're gonna get another collab going, all right? We're gonna get another collab going, ASAP, baby. Another collab ASAP, all right? So shout out to Daniel from Chart Champions. All right. On the chart, there's match between the 0.75 and the 1.618 extension. Interesting, man. That's interesting. Nice confluence. It was not D's nuts. It was not the upper room. Yeah, shout out to Dan anyway. When's the free trading course? We're gonna do a free trading course in January, all right? So make sure to subscribe to the channel if you're new, because yeah, we're gonna do a free trading course in January. All right, free trading course to teach y'all how to do it the real way, giving it to you straight, never giving it to you gay. About to teach you how to do it the right way. All right. Tom Crown, yeah, shout out to Tom Crown. Shout out to Tom Crown. All right, here we go. We're about to make a lower low here. Collab with Crypto Banter? Maybe. I have reached. They have been in touch with me at one point. All right, so we are forming another triangle here, guys. We're forming a little bit of a triangle right now. Let's see if we actually hold the bottom trend line for another breakout. See if we hold the trend line for another breakout here. Do I think gay is the wrong way? That's such a funny question. Crypto Banter drives you up a wall. Double stream today. Yeah, look, we're just shout out to the Goonies 51 Moon. Shout out to O Chris. Oh right, Diddy is the better word. My bad. I still don't know what happened with Diddy. I'll be honest with you guys. I literally live under a rock, all right? I literally live under a rock. I don't know the full story about Diddy, like, at all. I haven't been paying attention. People, like, told me a little bit here and there, but I still don't even really know what happened. I just know it was bad, and now it's like a joke that everyone says. So whenever people talk about it, I pretend to know, yeah. Apparently he's gay, and, like, he was, like, doing bad stuff to people. Or something like that. You were hoping for CryptoFace? Well, I would love to have CryptoFace on my stream, man. One day. I will have CryptoFace on the stream. CryptoFace is a hard guy to get a hold of. He's a busy man, all right? CryptoFace is a busy man. Yeah, we've got no volume right now. So, honestly, look, New York's going to close in about 15 minutes, and then let's see if we don't get, like, a significant move, all right? That's kind of what I'm waiting out for. All right, we were live for New York Open. We're live for New York close. Let's see. Live for New York Open, live for New York close. Did I take a just in case short from the local top? Who knows? Diddy is the new Epstein. Okay, he did bad stuff. All right. Okay, he did bad stuff. I mean, I don't know, nothing really shocks me, especially if it's coming from, like, the music industry or Hollywood. I feel like, or the government, honestly. I feel like, I'm surprised, like, I don't know, I kind of feel like everyone knows that all those people are into, like, some weird stuff, man, you know, some weird occultic, you know, Satan worship type stuff, you know what I'm saying? No sleep till 100K. I kind of feel that, but you know what? Tomorrow, I'm not going to look at the chart at all. Tomorrow. No phone, no computer tomorrow, guys. Every Friday, I shut off everything from now on. Every Friday, I'm shutting it all down. No phone, no computer, no charts. No charts Friday, Saturday, and maybe Sunday. Definitely not Friday and Saturday. No charts, no computer, no trading, nothing. All right? So let's see. That's why I hope we hit 100K before tomorrow. All right? That's why I hope we hit 100K tomorrow. Shine of Jonah, man. I hate that. I hate the superstition, all right? Let's forget about that superstition, all right? Forget about the superstition. That's what J-Boy Bush's dad always said. I feel like that's true, though, you know? I feel like that's true. I feel like there's so many people, like independent journalists, who have kind of, like, exposed that, you know? But, you know, the world feels more like Sodom and Gomorrah every day. says, oh, he so. Yeah, shout out to Radial Gaio. Shout out to MEXC. All Solana users should have a Phantom wallet. Shout out to I Show You. The moment you turn off the stream, we hit 120K. Yeah, probably, right, I Show You? But look, let's see if we can't catch a little something on stream, all right? Let's see if we can't catch a little something on stream, baby. All right? We already did the pump song. We did a few freestyles. Shout out to HMT. My short will liquidate at 110,000. Shall I take more leverage? I mean, are you joking or what, man? I hope you're joking, okay? I really hope you're joking. Let's check out the order flow. No volume, no open interest. A few dumb shorts opening, basically. So, let's see. We gotta wait. We gotta wait 10 minutes for the New York market close. And then we'll probably get something here. All right, let's see. We're about to hit that order. Excuse me. We're about to hit that order. Yeah, we just hit it. Okay. All right, so we hit the order. We're up right now $42,488 on the trade right now, all right? So we have made 42,000, only 20 bucks away from 42,500. Let's see what happens now, okay? Let's see what happens now. I'm going to remove this limit order now, because the next thing I'm looking for is actually a move down to this golden pocket zone. Before we hit the golden pocket, though, we actually do have the POC of the range. So our next actual target is going to be 97,460. 97,460. And that's probably right around the 50% retrace as well. Yeah, exactly on the 50% retrace. So the next zone we have is going to be right around 97,450. And, yeah, let's see, 97,450. And then the golden pocket in this box. This is where I say the bounce is, you know, if New York's slow go, then after New York closes, then Asia will probably give us, you know, something like this. Probably get a move down, get a little bit of a bounce, get another move down, and Asia will pump us, because Asia's been pumping us like crazy. I remember when I went to bed last night, Bitcoin just got this massive move up to 95. That's the last thing I saw before I went to bed. I told my wife, Bitcoin's at 95K. She said, wow. She said, wow. 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 That's what she said, was wow. Yeah, volume's dried up. Don't worry, guys. Don't worry. Volume will come back. Volume will come back. We just got a big move. New York's about to close. Volume will come back. No need to be concerned. No need to be concerned. All right. Let's see what's going to happen here. All right, here we go, baby. Getting a little bit of a blue candle. Let's see what happens. We got 7 minutes until New York closes. 98.4 will be the next target. To the upside, what are you talking about? The golden pocket? What do you mean 98.4? You talking about the back test of the support resistance flip? Is that what you're talking about? All right, we got 3-minute null divs, baby. Let's check out the lower time frames here. We do have a 3-minute bull div. If that money flow acts as support, this could be it. Yeah, we got a 1-minute bull div, baby. We got the uneven butt cheek pattern on the 1 minute. All right, let's see. Uneven butt cheeks, 1 minute, baby. All right, let's see. Let's see. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on, come on. Trading and exercising at the same time. Yeah, that's what's up. You know, got to get those steps in. Got to get those steps in, baby. Shout out to HFG. He says it's pointing to 100,050. Bro, this number doesn't even comprehend in my head, you know? I can't even believe Bitcoin's going to be that high. All right, let's go. Let's hit the dang take profit, all right? Let's hit the dang take profit. Come on, Bitcoin, come on. Here we go. We're getting a little bit of a move up. Let's go to the 1 minute. Again, we got a little bit of a bull div here. Our target 99.5. HFG says we're going to go over 100K. I really hope so. Vinod Kumar C wants to know if anyone's from Pakistan. If anyone's from Pakistan, let him know in the chat. All right. Your long and short LFG. Here we go. Shout out to everyone from Finland. Shout out to Paul Premier Yacht, who feels good, closed the leverage longs in good profit, now can rest a bit. That's what's up. I haven't closed yet. All right. I'm trying to make $20,000 on this next take profit. Let's see if we can't do it. All right, we got 4 minutes until the market closes. We got 4 minutes until the market closes. All right, we got some other people from Pakistan in here. My man Mohammed Danish, or Danish. Yeah, he's not on a treadmill, says Colin. He's walking about looking for profits. For sure. Solana pulled a dirty. Let's check out Sol. All right, let's check out Sol. Let's check out good old Sol. Ooh. Look at Sol. Let's check out the 1 hour. All right. Man, would you look at that though? So we never took that low. Unfortunately, we never did take that low. But look, we were looking for an entry, and we had an entry on Sol, right? We had a really good entry on Sol, but people kept asking for entries, and the more you pump, the harder it is to find an entry. So yeah, look at that. Sol did the dirty, but not really. 4 day. Not really, no. That's just called a swing failure pattern. That's totally normal. That's totally normal. But, you know, I do have to say, the 4 day does look kind of bearish on Sol. 4 day doesn't look the best on Sol. Let's check out the 6 day. 6 day looks better. Let's check out the week. The week looks better. Still got a slight bull dip, but we have more upside. It looks like on Sol. Right now on Sol, if things pull back, I'm not saying they're gonna, but if they do, let's see where our local support's gonna be for Sol. Local support for Sol is going to have to be right around here, guys. Right around here. It's going to be local support on Solana. All right. Local support on Solana. Come on, Bitcoin. Let's get a little bit of a move to the upside here. I would love to just snap up to take our profits. We got to give a major shout out to the super chats in the house. All right, first of all, HFG, thank you so much for the super chat, my bro. God bless you, man. Shout out to Alex Sasha who says, J and C, could you look on FETs? And how you doing? Let's check it out. God bless you, bro. Let's check out FET. All right, Fetch AI. Fetch AI, baby. Well, Fetch AI, I have to say this, right? This is what we were looking at last time, which is for a swing or a spot position. This is kind of what I am looking at here, all right? We have ourselves a really nice trend line that is being respected, all right? And we have ourselves a really nice bottom, a change of market structure. We've made a higher low into key support. And now we're forming an inverted head and shoulders pattern. And so basically for me, this is my plan and idea right now for Fetch AI. Now, just full disclosure, I am not buying any Fetch AI here or trading it. This is just my analysis on the chart. Okay, so I don't have any skin in the game for Fetch. I don't have any real skin in the game for Fetch. Fetch AI, like you're playing Fetch with your dog, whose name is AI. Fetch AI, Fetch! The dog goes to get, dog goes to get, dog goes to get. What just happened to the audio? Dang. Oof. Bitcoin with a purple candle. That's not what we wanted. Oh! Oh my goodness, look at that 1 minute purple candle. Let's go back to the 1 minute chart. Oof. Man, that's not looking the best. Ooh. All right, so then we would honestly, so if we're gonna keep we're gonna keep dumping, then our next level is gonna be the 0.5 fib POC. All right, right around this area. So New York has just closed. New York has just closed. That's the initiation of this dumperoni. New York closing. All right, so let's see what's gonna happen here. Our next support is going to be 97,450. 97,450 is the POC of the range. And then honestly, the juiciest level of support right now is going to be right around here, 96.8, give or take. 96.8. So let's see, how's the order flow looking here? Basically just some shorts opening up, very low volume. Well, not low volume, but low open interest, all right? So trades are closing out. Trades are closing out. Most of this volume here is trades closing. A few shorts opening. Right here, we did have about 4 or 5 million shorts open up. But it's nothing like what it was on this last move to the upside. We had massive increase of open interest. Traders opening positions. You can see a lot of longs opening up and then a lot of longs closing at 99K. And I guess for good reason too. It's psychological resistance. But now, let's see if we come down to this zone. And if we do, and we see a bounce, I'm going to add $100,000 to my trade. This is where I add $100,000. To the long. Let's see. Shout out to Evaldas who says, much love. What's up with BingX? Is it normal? Let's check out BingX and see if BingX is normal. I don't know. You tell me. Does this look normal to you? Does that look normal to you? How about this? This chart look normal to you? Tell me. Is that normal? You tell me. Is this a normal chart? All right. Let's take a look at the daily. It looks pretty normal. Honestly, I'd say that we have initiated a buy zone on this because, you know, breakout and backtest of this You know, we got a bullish deviation. We have a really nice low here. Bullish divergences. Uneven booty cheeks. The breakout and the retest of the local golden pocket right now. 786. We haven't quite come down to our golden pocket yet. But this general idea of the support resistance flip, breakout and retest, this is generally where I would be looking to get in on some stuff. It looks really nice. I mean, assuming the bull market continues, I think it does. You know, I really do think it does for the next few months. Now that Bitcoin's got a really strong breakout. A really strong breakout. Fake nukes pump it now, says Ben. Let's go. All right, let's go. Yeah, the uneven booty cheeks, right? The uneven butt cheeks. That's what we had on the on those high time frames. When market Cipher B looks like this on those high time frames, that's how you know. That's how you know it's about to be good. All right, I hope we pump now. I hope it was a fake nuke and now we pump. I hope it was a fake nuke and now we pump. 24, 48 hours. Crypto. Nice low time frame CDW. Yeah, maybe New York closed. We just CDW the low time frames and then pump. That would be great. Come on, Bitcoin. If you're going to pump, please do it now. If you're going to pump, please do it now. Please do it now. Please do it now. Shout out to Brandon Keach, who says, do you still think it will drop to the 70K? I never said I thought it would, but I said if we drop, those are one of the places where I would be long in it for sure. All right. Thank you so much for the super chats, my man. You sent 2. Thank you so much for the super chats. But here's the thing. I never said I thought it was going to go there. But I said in the event of a pullback, we have to be prepared for it to go there. Because, you know, the truth is, we can't really know what the price is going to do. But we can be prepared for whatever happens. All right? We can be prepared for whatever happens. Shout out to my man, Seek Parabolic. He says, Jason, can you please chart Tucker on Dex Screener? Sure. Sure. Is it on Solana? Here's Tucker on Solana. Let's go to the daily. Ooh. Let's put on some indicators here. Alright, someone just gave me a thumbs down. Let me know in the chat why you gave a thumbs down and I'll fix it for you. Is it because I smell bad? Is it because I'm ugly? Is it because I don't really trade? I just use demo accounts to show my courses? Let me know and I'll fix it for you. Alright, so I do kind of like this low here. Because we have a nice bullish div here. Alright. The awesome oscillator. Nice bullish div on the daily. And from this point, let's put this thing on log. We have changed market structure, honestly. We've changed market structure. We made a higher low. I mean, it looks pretty good, honestly, to me. Coming to the 786. Can you look at volume on Dex Screener? Probably not, right? Let's check it out. Yeah, I guess you can. Okay. I mean, it looks bullish in general. I like the way it looks at that low and a change of structure. If we take it off log scale, I mean, there's a lot of upward potential on this too. All right, let's assume that the low is in. I mean, we're talking like 500% to the highs, right? We're talking about 500% to the highs. All right. Shout out to Anita. Says, we love you, Jason. Only deserve thumbs up. Nah, I deserve some thumbs down. Let's be honest. Everyone deserves some thumbs down. Shout out to EXZact, who says, hey, I shorted OM at 3.9. Where'd you put your target? All right, let's check it out. OM. Let's check it out. Shorted it at 3.9. Oh, wow, you've been short for a while, bro. You're short from here. That's a nice short. Well, where would I put my target? I mean, honestly, I would have put my first target right where we're literally at right now, because it's just support resistance, right? So, like, you shorted from there. We had support resistance flip right here. It was resistance, resistance, support, right? So I would have honestly been looking at something like this for my TP1. And now, the way I like to trade is I like to hold some out. So I don't know anything about this coin here. But we do have our next... Let's go to a higher time frame here. Hang on. I thought we were on a high time frame. I thought we're on the daily. We're on the 5 minutes, so hang on. Okay, let's go ahead and pull our fib from low to high. Let's see. Okay, yeah, so my next target would be right around taking this liquidity at 3.1 into the golden pocket. That would be my next target. But definitely, you should be booking something here. This is a support resistance flip. Definitely a good place to take profit. If we continue down, you know, we've got the liquidity here and the liquidity here and a high volume node right here at the golden pocket. So that would be my next target. Thank you so much for the super chat, the superb chat. All right, it's 411. Bitcoin's trying to hold on a little bit, all right? Anyone seen 6 Juanita around her? Why is everyone talking bad about crypto banter? I forget. Why? Tucker's old meta? Okay. How come we haven't had any severe pullbacks? Because it's a crazy bull market, you know? It's a crazy bull market. Shout out to Exact. Nice short, by the way, my man. Nice short. All right, let's see if we can't get a little market close action, baby. Let's see if we can't get a little market close juicy price action, all right? Do I think ETH makes another leg? Yeah, I think we're gonna see ETH at over $5,000. Do I feel that retail is in already? I don't even know. I don't know. You grow, I grow. You know, I don't really take those things into consideration when it comes to my own analysis, to be honest with you. I kind of just trade the charts, and I hear what other people have to say about that. I don't know. I'm so out of touch with all that kind of institution versus retail and on-chain stuff. I haven't looked at CoinGlass in probably years, to be honest with you. So, yeah, pretty much for me, I don't know. I don't really care either. But here's what I would say. Let's go ahead and take a look at... Were we charting that on Coinbase? Let's remove all this. Let's just take a look at what I'm seeing here. All right, we're going to go ahead and take our Fibonacci trend-based extension. We're going to go to the weekly. And we're going to take it from the bear market bottom of 2018 to the bull. Hang on, this is not what I want. That's a fib. That's a fan. Let's do our fib extension. From the bear market to the all-time high last cycle to the low. All right. Basically, these are the targets that I had for this bull run based on Fibonacci. 80K already hit. just front run 100K. Technically already hit, but I have my orders at 99.5. Maybe that's a bad idea. And then right around 120K, the 1.618 fib extension. These are my targets. Super bullish targets would be like the 2-to-1 Fibonacci. And so basically, for me, I don't know, and I don't really care about retail and this and that. I'm just going based on the levels on the chart. So I'm looking to actually sell some Bitcoin right around here, to be honest with you, like some actual spot Bitcoin, like 20%. That's because that's been my plan since we were at below 20K. All right, since we were below 20K, this was my irresponsibly buying Bitcoin zone down here. I remember when FTX went down, talking to my wife, we were sitting at the kitchen counter, and I told her, this is a lot of money. And she's like, yeah, do you think it's the right move? I said, yeah, so we did it. And we put a lot of money into Bitcoin down here. A lot of money. And so I made a plan. I said, I'm going to sell at 60K. I'm going to sell at 80K. I'm going to sell at 100K. I'm going to sell at 120K, right? So that's the way I'm dealing with this bull market right now. I'm not doing any other on-chain analytics, analytics, whatever. I'm just saying, I mean, right now I'm up 450% on my investment in general. If we take it from around like a $17,000 entry. And if we come to $120,000, it's a 500% gain on all that. So it's going to be pretty nice. Now, I'm never going to be totally out of Bitcoin ever in my life. Never. Never will I be totally out of Bitcoin. Ever. Never. Never, never, never. There's a certain amount of Bitcoin I will always have no matter what. All right. But the Bitcoins that I bought down below 20K, I will be selling 80% of it, basically. 80%, keeping that 20%. Always, forever. Always and forever. And then, of course, buying back in the next bull market, in the next bear market. Now, it's funny because we already have people saying there's not going to be another bear market. Someone just told me we're never going to see Bitcoin below 70,000 again because of the election. I don't believe it. I don't believe it. We're going to see Bitcoin come down again. It's going to be back down to the 40s. I don't care how high we go. I don't care how high we go. Let's say we come up to 120. Let's say we come up to 150. Yeah, coming down to 40K, that's like your typical bear market, a 70-something% move to the downside. That's totally normal. Even if we hit 100, 150,000. You know, that's totally normal. All right, how's Bitcoin doing anyway? We got the post New York struggles. Oh my goodness! All right, here we go, baby. 8.3 million shorts. Someone just opened up a big short order. Let's hope they get squeezed. Let's hope this post New York market gets squeezed, baby. Looks like I've had the wrong screen on the whole time. That's crazy. Wrong screen. Sorry about that, guys. Sheesh. Jason, what an idiot. $60K is your predicted bottom. It says seek parabolic. Yeah, that would be an interesting bottom. That would be an interesting bottom. Sorry, guys in the chat, man. I need multiple monitors. I need multiple monitors. If we come up to 150K, let's say, then a $40,000 Bitcoin is that 70-ish% move to the downside. 60K, that would be pretty. You know what? Let's just do some analysis here. Let's say we do come up to like $145,000 Bitcoin, all right? If we do, then let's like pull some Fibonacci targets. All right, yeah, I guess you're right, my man. Like, actually, Seek Parabolic's target is pretty much exactly where, if we come up to $150,000 Bitcoin, we always do come between the 786 and the 886 fib, like every single time. Like, look at this. Look at this. 2015 low to the high, bear market bottom in between the 786 and the 886 every single time. And then from the bear market low to the high, bottom in between the 786 and the 886. So if we put in a $150,000 Bitcoin, then yeah, 60K is actually quite reasonable. Let's say we put a $120,000 Bitcoin. Then we're looking down between 56 and 63. Yeah, that's so interesting, you know? That's so interesting. Yeah, so the bear market bottoms could be pretty high. Could be pretty high. Oh, wait a second. I'm pulling the wrong fib. Hang on. Hang on one second. Sorry. Let's say we put a 150,000. Yeah, okay. Then we are looking at $40,000. Sorry, everything I just said, disregard. If we put in a $150,000 Bitcoin, the bear market bottom is probably going to come in between 30 and 43K. If we put in a $120,000 Bitcoin, then the bear market bottom is going to be between 27 and 37K. This is just based on the historic fib levels that happens every single time. Every single time. And Coinbase doesn't even have enough history to show it. We can go to the index and see that, like literally from inception here. Let's pull it from, I mean, it gets really difficult from these lows to the highs, but even going all the way back to, hang on, inception here, it's a little bit lower than that 886, but in general, that 2011 crash landed right in that zone. And then ever since that time, it's been pretty textbook, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4 times that's happened. So I would expect that to happen next time as well. I know Bitcoin price never gone below its price on election day, but I don't think election day is a good indicator for trading markets. All right, major shout out to our super chat, Alexo Crypto. He says, "Mad love, Jay. Thank you, homie. God bless. God bless you, Alexo Crypto." Alexo Crypto, what do you think, my man? Let me know what you think. And guys, if you're not subscribed to Alexo Crypto, make sure to go subscribe. Let's see if we can't find him here. Go subscribe, all right? Look at that beard. Looks pretty good. Much better than my beard. All right, go subscribe. He's got 4,000 subs, but very underrated channel, all right? Very underrated channel. Look at the professional quality right here. I mean, look at this. I could never in a million years have such professional. I'll never own a camera that good. I'll never have a mic that good. Look at the background, guys. So professional. All right, I'll never have that ever. So go subscribe. Honestly, this dude, he crushes it on the charts. He crushes it with the YouTube content. Go subscribe. An underrated channel. Big time. All right? Big time underrated channel. What do you think, Alexo Crypto? You think Asia 100, 102 tonight? Let's do it, baby. Why should you subscribe to me? I don't know. Honestly, I don't know. I'm just here on a treadmill. I don't even have good lighting. I have like a shadow behind me right here. All I do is like freestyle and sing the pump song. I don't know anything about crypto at all. I don't even know the difference between a layer 1 and a layer 2 and a layer 3. Why else would you not subscribe to me? I always wear stupid hats. I'm always sweaty. I don't shower. And if I do shower, I probably won't use soap or shampoo. Definitely not shampoo. You know, I wear these glasses all the time. I can't really think of any good reason to subscribe to my channel, to be honest with you. Besides the fact that Donald Trump does endorse me, okay?
Well, folks, we won the election, but most importantly, we pumped the price to a new all-time high. Jason Casper and I made it happen, and we're going straight to 100K, baby. Make sure to like and subscribe. Make sure to like and subscribe to Jason Casper. He's the best YouTube trader in the world. He's getting huge. Shout out to the Casper crew.
All right, we got another underrated crypto channel in the house, Trader Geo. He says 99K blue balls is crazy. I know, right, man? I know. Can't unsee the shadow. Yeah, it's hard to get the light. Usually I stream in the day, and so the window is my other light, and I had a brick to plug in my other light into the outlet, but I lent it to my daughter so she could charge her camera, because she has this little toy camera. And so now I only have one light. So I try and use the screen to make more light, but yeah, it doesn't really work out so good, guys. You know? Crypto, he says, yeah, why do I subscribe anyway? I don't know. Shout out to Dejeet Crypt. He says, love you, brother in Christ. Love you, brother in Christ, as well. God bless you. God bless Trader Geo. 100x long every Asia Open. I know. I mean, seriously. Asia's probably going to pump it tonight. And, Trader Geo, the man. Make sure to go subscribe to Trader Geo as well, guys, all right? Trader Geo. Let's see. Let's get him. Trader Geo. Here, go subscribe to Trader Geo as well. Again, look at the beard, much better than mine as well. And honestly, look at the quality content. You know, he's got a. I don't know. Don't you have a set? He has a set, I think. Let's see. Professional looking set. Sometimes I see him looking super professional. I guess this one he's got a hat and a hoodie on, all right? So he's not as professional. But trust me, this dude, he knows his stuff, all right? He knows his stuff. Trader Geo knows his stuff. Go subscribe to Alexo Crypto and Trader Geo. Soon HFG is going to be streaming his 1000x leverage streams, and honestly, that would be pretty cool. That would be pretty cool. If you do, bro, I'll have to have you on the channel. All right, I'll have to have you on the channel. I would have you on the channel. All right, so here's the thing. Yeah, Trader Geo sleeps too much. Seriously, can we rap on the simple boom bat underground beat? All right, let's try it out. I don't know. I've never heard the beat before. Let's see if I can do it. If I don't like the beat, I won't be able to do it. All right? Yeah. Yeah. Okay, yeah, yeah, okay, yeah. Gotta give a big shout out, my man Trader Geo. Coming to the charts now, listen to the crypto flow. Also gotta shout out my man Alexo. Got the YouTube channels coming in with flows. Yeah, got the candles turning purple. Next thing you know, the candles turning blue. Yeah, I'm a nerd like Steve Urkel. I come to the charts, let me show you what to do. I said, always long the bottom, then we short the top. Never don't take profits, never hit the stops. Always 100x leverage like a clock. We're coming back up, then we blast to the top. Bitcoin about to hit 100k before today. Asia gonna pump it, now listen to what I say. HFG says 102. Asia about to show you what Bitcoin's gonna do. Gotta give a shout out to 6Juanita. I said, hey girl, let me buy you some pizza. She said, hey Jay, I'm vegan and gluten free, so get your dirty armpits away from me. I said, 6Juanita, you know I don't shower, but I'll try to woo you by buying you some flowers. But she said, Jay, you don't even have the power. Get out of here, your pan I will scour. Cause you know when we're doing the dishes in the sink, the Bitcoin purple candle's about to turn pink. We're coming back down, what is that stink? Jay Casper never brushes his teeth, what do you think? So we get the rejection, introspection. Next thing you know, Bitcoin changed direction. Start to dump like an inverse erection. Coming back down, then we look for directions. Like we're looking on the map like MapQuest. The Bitcoin about to show you what she does the best. We're training in the gym, only biceps and chest. And we're skipping leg day, cause that's what's best. Here we go, back on BLOFIN. About to get it in with the crypto spin. Where do we begin? Don't you know? 10% cash back if you click the link in the description. What about that? Don't you know? I don't even trade. I've been chilling on those demo accounts for days. Only here to show you the big exchange. Cause I don't make more money no other way, yeah. But if you wait, you could win some prizes like a spade, like a watch or a chair, a camera or some cash, or a motorcycle that goes really fast. Oh snap, coming back to the Bitcoin chart. Got the blue and purple candles like a nice work of art. Here we go, the candles turning purple. Jason Casper so they nerdy and they call him Steve Urkel. Don't you know, when I rap then I have to burp, yo. And the price got me in circles. Yeah, don't you know the gas is in my belly, and the blue and purple candles looking like the Smucker's grape jelly. Yeah, I got the Wonder Bread sandwich. Oh, the beat's over, okay. Yeah, I like it actually, I like that beat, you know. I actually do like that beat a lot. That's a good beat. Does anyone have any other good beats? All right, come on, Bitcoin, do something. Do something, Bitcoin. All right. Ferdy says, look, if the beat's not good, I'm not going to be able to do anything, all right? And I hope you guys don't get me copyright stricken. It looks like I'm going to get copyright stricken on this one, all right? You quit weed because of crypto? That's good. I quit weed because God told me to quit weed. God told me to quit weed. I don't see it here. Yeah, I don't. Is this it? Looks like I'm definitely going to get copywritten if I do this, all right? Yeah, 100 million views. This is going to get my channel taken down, all right? It's got to be some kind of royalty-free thing, all right? Yeah, it needs like 12,000 views or something. But this is a really good beat, man. I love this one. I'm going to have to add this to my playlist. How do I add it to a playlist? Don't you know Jake Casper about to add it to his playlist? Bitcoin coming in like a big kiss, cause you know I'm putting on the lipstick. The Bitcoin price like a ball we're about to kick. When we're out in the field playing soccer, coming to the goal, don't you know I'm gonna block ya? Cause we came to support people shorting at the bottom, they're about to get hoard. Don't you know New York market about to close? Bitcoin price pumping up your nose. We go a little higher and lower like she goes. The Bitcoin price, you know the price we chose. $100,000, now let me hear you holler. If we're gonna pump, study in like a scholar. I'm up in the books, I'm fishing with hooks. We looked at a good crypto coin called Tux. Good old Dex Screener. When we're trading every single day, we're coming back to the treadmill just to get paid. When we're going outside and we're eating from a tray, giving it to you straight, I'm never giving it to you gay. Yeah, now we're singing the song. The Bitcoin price is about to go long. Don't you know we hear the doorbell ding dong? Next thing you know we get the big long going up. Yeah, Bitcoin gonna pump. Don't you know I love to drink my coffee from a cup? Don't you know I like to go up into the stuff, to the attic in the big place, looking kinda rough. Cause we got the plunger and we're holding it in our hand as we're driving our Bugatti through the sand, to the stand, Maserati, Carl from the moon. Don't you know, next thing you know we see him in June. That's how we go, yeah. I put the plunger on my face, shaving my whiskers, what a big disgrace. Don't you know I got the smelly armpits in the place, big sweat, no hair, we're running the race. You gotta shave your whole body to be aerodynamic. The Bitcoin's dumping, but don't you panic, my man. We're in the gym and we're hitting the squat rack, curling the biceps, hitting the good back, bent over rows. Don't you know, that's how the Bitcoin and the crypto likes to flow. Welcome to the channel, like and subscribe. Jake Casper about to keep you alive. Don't you know we're about to hit 200,000 subscribers. Then we turn around and we see the people following behind. The Bitcoin price smells like a porcupine. Now the beat drops again when the Bitcoin's hanging out with all her good friends. And we're driving around in our Mercedes Benz. Then we turn around and looking like our friend's name is Ben. Yeah, got the Pikachu hat. Shout out to the Casper crew, baby. Here we go. Major shout out to Donald Trump. Major shout out to everybody in the chat right now. You guys are the best. Whoa. There we go. Yeah, I like that beat. I really do. Okay. Well, look, New York's closed. We're doing kind of nothing here. New York's closed. We're doing nothing. What do you think, guys? Sudeep wants to give it to you. Okay. All right. All right. Well, guys, man, I hate to say it, but I don't think we're going to get the move right now. And, you know, this man's breath is stanky. That's true. And I'm not going to be here tomorrow, guys, because I turn off my phone, turn off my computer every single Friday. It's a new thing I do. Every Friday. Shout out to Casual TA Jesus in here. What's going on, bro? It's good to see you, man. It's good to see you. Been a while, bro. Anyway, every single Friday I fast and pray. I dedicate that day just to seeking God, seeking Jesus. And it's been absolutely, absolutely, absolutely amazing, life-changing. I don't know why I wasn't doing that before, but if anyone wants to get closer to the Lord, or should I say more aware, more spiritually aware of God's presence, and more clearly hear his voice, and just enjoy that intimacy that comes from having a relationship with Jesus, I highly recommend you set aside times to fast and pray. Fast and pray. That being said, guys, may God bless everybody. And I'll see you guys next week. Peace.